Hey guys, so I'm finally back with another video. It's been a month or probably a month and a half since my last video, and it's just because there's so many things going on in my life, and it was also Valentine's Day and we were so busy with the flower shop. So I'm here to give you guys an update about my skin after the warts removal pen that I used like a month ago. So okay, I wasn't able to give you guys an update because, like I said, I was so busy, and now I finally got to sit down in front of my camera. By the way, I have a new phone. This is the Samsung A7, yeah, 2018, and I really like it. I'm just using it for, you know, if I'm gonna vlog or something like that, because sometimes it's kind of difficult to do the whole setup, the equipments, Diva Light, the camera, SD card. I don't really have like a good quality SD card right now. I broke the other one, so I'm looking for an SD card with with bigger space, because my last SD card, I don't know, like my camera right here, I have the Canon video camera. I also have the Sony, what do you call this? I have the Sony Legria. I think this is Legria. Oh no, yeah, I forgot. But yeah, it looks like this, and it has screen. But yeah, I don't feel like using my professional cameras for now. So, and also I'm checking out the quality of this one. So I'm sorry if you guys have noticed the difference, but I think I like it. It's not as professional as the other, but it's nice for vlogging and for just quick updates. So yeah, moving on to the update. This is how my skin looks like after a month of using the the warts removal pen. So so one thing I can say for sure is that it really did remove the warts that I wanted to remove. So I got rid of a lot. I had a lot of warts on my skin. I have here, here, and like putting on makeup for me was like a disaster. Like I just can't focus on my makeup because I just have like tiny warts around my face. And now like the most annoying warts that I had were here, and now it's completely gone. And I don't know if you guys have watched my if you have watched my warts removal video, you'll see the spots where I burned my warts, and the only thing that's left actually is this one right here, because this is a big one. So in the instructions it says you have to do like another session for that. So I think I'm gonna burn this again when I have time. But yeah, I have like warts here as well, especially here. Like this, there's this one wart here that really annoyed every bit of me, but it's gone. It's completely gone. Like especially here, I can't even put highlighter on. But here's a close-up. Before, the most noticeable warts that I had were here, this one, and then I had like a couple right here, which are completely gone. You will see it in my video. I'll put the link in my, the description box below, and you will see the exact spots that I was talking about. But yeah, here is the skin. And about the device, it's actually really effective. I have no complaints about it. For the price, it's actually really good. You can't beat the price. I know that if you're gonna go to a professional, it will cost you a lot. Like, well, not really a lot, but I mean for something that you can have with you forever if you need it, I think it's a good price than just going to a salon and then you're not in control of your warts. Like whatever you want to burn, if you have this device, you can. So and you won't have to worry about, you know, like people burning your skins, or sometimes if you have doubts, if you don't trust the people in the skin clinic, you can definitely do it yourself at home. Just watch my video. I use a numbing cream, so it really works. Some people said that they don't use a numbing cream, they can take the pain, but I can't. So I personally need a numbing cream. So if you're gonna ever buy the warts removal pen, definitely go ahead and buy the numbing cream. But my skin looks amazing for me. Like way back then, I had a lot of warts. I don't know where I got it. A lot of people said that well, I actually did a bit of research about warts and how you get warts, the causes. They said that it's something that you can't avoid if you it's mosquito. So if you are sometimes you can get it from scratches, like tiny scratches, which you always use. Like if you are into makeup, you always rub your face with brushes, with sponges, so it creates like tiny cuts on your skin, and sometimes it gets infected or something like that. So it starts from those little things, and sometimes you can get it from another person, so it's kind of contagious. So honestly, I don't really know how to avoid that, but I'm not really scared of it anymore because I have the warts removal pen. And also it's really perfect for skin tags, whatever you call it. But yeah, so it's really effective, and I am in love. So again, as you can see, this is my skin without any foundation, concealer. There's just nothing. I mean, I have warts. I have this mole here and here, and it says that you can use the warts removal pen for removing your mole, but I don't want to remove. Like, I asked a couple of people if I should remove this. They said you shouldn't, and I'm not even sure if it's safe to remove the mole. And so here I have nothing left. Only this one here. I don't know if you can see, but there's just this one last mole that I need to deal with, which I'm gonna do probably within the week. So yeah, that is my quick update. A lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do the update, and finally did it. If you have any questions, oh, by the way, if you are wondering how many days the scabs will fall off, for me, I was using the Sebo de Macho, this one. So this is made specifically for new scars. So it says here whitens new scars. So this is perfect for like that, like scabs, scars. So I used it for every scab that I have, and it fell off after 4 days, 4 to 5 days, like a week to be exact. Like after a week, it's completely gone. But of course, I was very careful with it. I made sure I don't scratch it or anything like that. I just never touch it, even though I feel like half of the scab is like falling off. I just kept it there. I didn't touch it. I just let it fall naturally. So what else? Yeah, so I have no complaints. I really like it. And just make sure you get something like this, like a cream, because if you just let it dry on its own, it might be too dry and it might create a scar, like a dark scar. And this is made specifically to whiten new scars. So I really like it, and it's super cheap, like 25 pesos. Go ahead and get this. And this is not only for this warts removal procedure. You can also use this for wounds, and I've been using this for years, and I swear by it. So that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I'll definitely go back and check it, and I'll answer each and every question. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And see you guys again next time. Bye!